determine whether life persists or ceases to exist. It would literally be impossible to carry out our daily physical activity without them. What are they?
Carbohydrates are simple sugars that act as a source of energy for muscle contraction and biologic work. Examples of carbohydrates are bread, pasta, and potatoes.
A good carb is a carb full of fiber. These carbs get absorbed into our body system and also help us avoid spikes in blood sugar level. An example of a bad carb is a refined and processed carb that strips away the beneficial factor of fiber.
Sir, what is your carb preparation for the big game?
Me and my team, we usually have a big pasta party before the games, and pastas are high in carbs. It contributes to a lot of energy.
Thank you, sir. This is Frank from Carb Central. Back to you, Ethan.
Thanks, Frank. Now that we know that carbohydrates play an important role in energy, we will now go into the depth, structure, and function of the carbohydrate molecule.
A simple carb spikes your energy, while a complex carb gives you a continuous supply of energy.
Monosaccharide is the simplest form of sugar. The chemical formula is CH2O. An example of a monosaccharide is glucose. All monosaccharide bonds connect by glycosidic linkage.
Saccharides are two sugar monomers linked by glycosidic linkage, and oligosaccharides are 3 to 10 monosaccharide units.
Polysaccharides are hundreds to thousands of monosaccharide units. Common polysaccharides are starch, glycogen, and cellulose.
Cellulose, found in plant cells, provides strength and maintain the structure of the cell wall.
In animal cells, glycogen forms the basic structure of the cell and is present in all of our cells.
Polysaccharide chitin is present in the fungi cell walls and provides shape and strength of the structure of the fungi cell. Outside of class material. Did you know if you diet low in carbohydrates for a week, it can lead to higher levels of blood ketone bodies? These levels of ketone bodies can lead to ketoacidosis, which is commonly associated with type 1 diabetes, which is not good. Symptoms are higher blood sugar, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalance.
I'm Frank from Carb Central. I hope you enjoyed our broadcast on carbohydrates and polysaccharides. And remember, fellow Americans, to eat those healthy carbohydrates to live a long, healthy, active life.